Hello everybody, Paul Dahmen here. How you use note expression in your project. So first you open the MIDI file and then you pick your MIDI note, and here on the side you have to open note expression, and here on the side you have the modulation, what you like. And we can look. You open the case. So we can panning a little bit. Yes. And then we make then here one more. Maybe here you make a little bit cut off. And then here's a very good note, maybe here. That's good too. More resonance. Okay. Maybe one more. And the thing is, you are modulation one MIDI note. And this is a huge function, I guess. Okay. I hope this was a little bit helpful, and I hope you have see what's going on here. But check itself out, and this is the result. Have fun, enjoy. Okay, thank you for watching and take care. Bye.